How to lock or unlock Bank of America debit or credit card. Let's get started. First, launch your Bank of America mobile app, or also you can use Bank of America online banking. Provide your credentials and login. After you log in, navigate to the Accounts tab. Find the credit card or debit card you want to lock and tap on it. Once the card details on the screen, tap on the three dots or the gear icon, Settings next to your card. Scroll down to find the Lock Card option. Tap it to instantly lock a card. This will prevent any new transactions from being processed on a card, but any pending transactions will still go through. Confirm that you want to lock the card, and now your card is temporarily disabled. Now how to unlock it? For that, open the Bank of America app or head towards the website. Navigate to the Accounts tab to select your lock card. In the Card Settings, tap Unlock Card. Confirm the action and your card will be unlocked and ready for use again. So this is how you can easily lock or unlock debit or credit card on Bank of America. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.